Hi guys, Gavin Allenson, and we're here in the labs at Oxford University. I've got Nick Norwitz, and
Right.
Nick studied initially at Harvard, and he's over here in Oxford in metabolism labs here, doing a PhD in ketone research. Neurons are very long-lasting. Your
Yeah.
brain cells are long-lasting. They don't get turned over like
There are a
skin and
small number of neuron types, like the ones in neurofactory centers
Yeah.
for smell, that do. But other than that, your neurons are basically with you your whole life.
Wow.
You're born with them, and then you have some neurogenesis when you're young, and you have
Yeah.
a little bit when you're older. But like the neurons that start in your brain, or when you're in your brain when you're young, they're there forever. Whereas like red blood cells turn over.
So you've got to really look after them.
So you really have to look after them because they're mostly only going away.
Yeah, yeah.
You can stimulate neurogenesis. Ketones can actually do that. We can talk about that in another little video. But the reason this is really important is because that means they accumulate damage. So you get these oxidative radicals, these reactive oxygen species, these free radicals. They damage the neurons, and not only does that damage accumulate, but it damages the neurons in such a way that they become even less. The mitochondria become less efficient. So the free radicals are generated in the mitochondria. They damage the mitochondrial proteins, and mitochondria have their own DNA too, which code for the mitochondrial proteins. They damage that DNA, and then the mitochondria are less efficient. So then they generate more radicals, which means which it's a feedback. It's a vicious cycle. And so you want to not let that vicious cycle establish. You know, new research says you can reverse it. You can get new mitochondria. You can actually get neurogenesis. So I'm oversimplifying a little bit. But the idea is you don't want to kind of spark this vicious cycle. Because it will happen, and over reliance on glucose is one thing that can stimulate it. And so then, it goes beyond the cell level. Why you become not great at using glucose, your brain has to do with insulin resistance. So changes in your hormones as well as things that are happening in your